Hey everyone, welcome to this edition of Contain Picks Top 5 Dash Cams. We're glad you're here. These nifty little cameras can help you prove your innocence in case of accidents. And they're great for monitoring kids or anyone you lend your car to. They're also useful if you want to record yourself for travel vlogs or document any type of content while driving. Just remember, the roads are still your main focus. You wouldn't want to end up with a fender bender and a great video of it, right? There are many different types of dash cams on the market. Front-end cameras, back-end cameras, cameras with GPS, the list goes on. This is why we chose to include all different types of cameras. So regardless of what you're looking for, we'll have the perfect one for you. Also, keep in mind when purchasing a dash cam that some jurisdictions regulate or prohibit the use of the camera function. It is your responsibility to know and comply with applicable laws and rights to privacy in jurisdictions where you plan to use the camera function of this device. That being said, let's get into it. First up, we have the Vantrue N5, which is arguably the best overall dash cam for complete vehicle coverage. This camera offers triple recording, which simultaneously records the front, inside, and rear of your vehicle. The front-facing camera offers a 155-degree field of view, covering a broad stretch of the road ahead in 4K 2160 resolution. The rear camera captures a wide 160-degree field of view in clear 1080p, giving you solid coverage of what's happening behind your vehicle. Whether it's activity on the road or something happening while parked, you'll have the footage to back it up. One standout feature of the Vantrue N5 is its infrared night vision inside the cabin and the Starvis 2 sensor for the outside camera, which captures high-speed objects, including license plates, in dark or poor lighting conditions. The inside camera is equipped with 4 IR LEDs that capture clear footage in complete darkness. Perfect for rideshare drivers or anyone driving late at night who wants to feel safer. So whether you're monitoring passengers or documenting your drives, this dash cam provides sharp, reliable footage around the clock. Another area where the Vantrue N5 shines is its advanced parking mode. The low bitrate recording mode allows continuous recording while saving storage space. The motion and collision detection ensures the camera activates only when necessary. This means that if someone bumps into your parked car, or if motion is detected nearby, the dash cam will spring into action and capture the event with precision. Additionally, the Vantrue N5 features loop recording, so you'll never run out of storage space. Old footage is automatically overwritten unless it's protected. Basically, this dash cam is always ready to capture new events. Plus, the built-in G sensor locks critical footage during sudden impacts, ensuring you don't lose important evidence. All in all, the Vantrue N5 can record ridiculously clear footage day and night and is easily one of the best all-around dash cams on the market. The next dash cam to make our list is the Garmin DriveCam 76, which we picked as the best 2-in-1 camera. It comes with a GPS navigation system and a large, easy-to-read 7-inch screen. Now, I know calling a 7-inch screen large might be a stretch, but for a GPS, it's pretty roomy. And that extra screen space really makes a difference, helping you easily read everything you need while you're out on the road. This camera shoots full HD footage at 30 frames per second, delivering enough detail to make out the numbers on plates easily. Little details like that can really make a massive difference. I can't tell you how many crime shows I've watched where they couldn't find a suspect because the camera footage was blurry. That said, you might notice a bit of wobble in the stabilization here and there. It doesn't take away from the overall video quality. You'll still catch all the important details. Just something to keep in mind if you're planning to use it on especially bumpy roads. The real power of this gizmo is all its features, starting with its ability to save video clips automatically in a secure online vault for later viewing. This is a cool feature if you do travel vlogging and take lots of videos on the road. It also offers hands-free calling when paired with your smartphone via Bluetooth and with the Garmin voice assistant. You can ask for directions to your destination while keeping your eyes on the road. The Road Trip Ready feature is another neat little add-on, offering great recommendations from TripAdvisor, traveler ratings, and built-in Wi-Fi that makes map and software updates a breeze. It also features a really cool Garmin Drive app which gives you all the latest info on live traffic, fuel prices, and weather. It seems simple, but think of how convenient it is to know if traffic is backed up due to a collision. You can save yourself a lot of time and steer completely clear of a traffic jam that could have put you half an hour behind schedule. So, if you want the best 2-in-1 dashcam GPS combo that's loaded with cool features, the Garmin DriveCam 76 is perfect for you. Next up, I have the REDTIGER F7NP 4K Dashcam, which I picked as the best dashcam for the money. Not only is this a budget-friendly option, but it's also a front and rear camera that offers dual 4K 1080p recording with superior night vision. With this camera, you get your money's worth and then some. To start with, the screen quality is absolutely brilliant. It's a small screen, which is nice because it doesn't obstruct your view of the road. But again, I can't stress how nice this high-res screen looks, especially considering the price of the Dashcam. The daytime video quality is also really good. The front cameras capture footage in ultra-high-def 4K with a 384x2160 pixel resolution. It has a wide 170-degree angle on the front camera and a 140 degrees angle on the rear. You get comprehensive coverage of your entire vehicle without the image distortion that often comes with wider angles over 180 degrees. The front camera also uses a Sony Starvis sensor, which is great for capturing footage at night. This sensor helps your camera cope better with low-light situations. The footage might not be ultra-crisp, but it still delivers plenty of detail and holds its own against cameras that cost more. In short, it offers great value for its price tag, and we recognize it for that. This camera also has some reliable features for accident recording and a built-in GPS, which is always a nice little extra that can save you when you're lost. And thanks to the loop recording feature, this camera automatically activates when the G sensor detects a sudden impact. For your convenience, it then saves the collision footage without any action required on your part. There is a 24-hour park monitor on the cam to record continuously for 24 hours with a time-lapse function to save battery for when something triggers the camera. Honestly, this dashcam rocks. It's got a lot of great features, records good quality videos, and even performs well at night. For what it costs, it's definitely the best dashcam you can buy for the money. And if this awesome dashcam caught your eye, or if any of the ones mentioned in this video have, for that matter, be sure to check out the links in the description below for all the latest prices. Prices on these dashcams are constantly changing, and we got you covered with the best deals on the web. So be sure to check out the links below and like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Now let's get back to our list with the best mini dashcam, the Garmin Mini 3. You probably noticed this isn't the first time a Garmin cam has come up on this list, and there's a good reason for that. They are industry leaders when it comes to creating quality and versatile dash cameras. The last Garmin camera I covered was packed with features, including excellent GPS support. This model takes a more compact and streamlined approach. While it doesn't include all the extras, it still offers that same trusted Garmin build quality in a smaller, more discreet design. It records in 1080p, which is great for everyday driving needs, and its low-profile look makes it easy to install and forget. Plus, it's more budget-friendly, making it a solid choice if you're looking for something simple, reliable, and easy on the wallet. This ultra-compact key-size camera is almost unnoticeable on your windshield, meaning your view of the road isn't obstructed at all. It has a nice wide 140 degrees field of view, which isn't the widest on this list, but it should be more than enough to capture the entirety of the road ahead, including multiple lanes and roadside activity. It has a cool voice control that lets you start and stop recordings hands-free whenever you please, and this particular model is available in 6 different languages. So to any of our viewers who speak French, German, Italian, Spanish, or Swedish, there's a language mode available for whatever you need. The parking guard feature can even send a notification to your phone if an incident is detected. But I have to mention that this does require a paid Vault subscription if that's something you're interested in. This one's all about simplicity and value. We included it because we wanted to have something for everyone, and this compact Garmin-built dashcam hits that mark. It's our top pick for the best mini dashcam, offering reliable performance in a discreet, easy-to-use package. And with its budget-friendly price, it's a smart way to give your vehicle the protection it deserves without breaking the bank. The last dash camera we chose is the Rove R2 4K, which we picked as the best dashcam for most people. It has a Sony Starvis 2 sensor for super night vision and can capture videos at 30 frames per second in ultra-clear 4K and at a reasonable price tag. This one is a front and rear camera package like others mentioned on this list, with a front camera that records at 3840x2160p and a rear camera that captures footage at 1920x1080p with a 150 degrees free angle for the front camera and 140 degrees for the rear. It offered a good range of visibility, more than most dash cameras, although there are some that do exceed this. It also features the Sony Starvis 2 sensor, so you'll get superior performance in low light and nighttime conditions. It also has a handful of other useful features such as built-in GPS loop recording that automatically overwrites old footage when the memory card is full, and a G sensor that detects sudden impacts or collisions and locks the relevant footage to prevent it from being overwritten. And like others on our list, it also has parking mode. The real difference in this one is its price tag. It has all the bells and whistles, but at a much lower price. This model keeps things simple and focused on the essentials. It delivers reliable performance without overcomplicating the experience, making it a great choice if you're after a straightforward, no-fuss dash cam. While it doesn't include extras like voice assist or advanced driver alerts, it nails the core features that matter most for everyday use. With its ability to capture sharp 4K video and the enhanced low-light performance of the Sony Starvis 2 sensor, the Rove R2 delivers impressive quality and reliability. It's a well-rounded choice that checks all the right boxes, making it one of the best dash cams for most people. And that wraps it up. Hopefully you learned something or at least enjoyed hearing the sound of my voice. If you want to purchase any of the dash cams mentioned in today's video, check out the description section for links to all the best deals on all of today's cameras. And like and subscribe to stay updated on all of the latest tech. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the next video.